What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, guys, smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I'm here today to do an unboxing with you. I actually ordered 2 products from LiveGood. Okay, let me first say I had no intentions of joining a network marketing company at all. Okay, but what happened is I actually purchase and consume these type of products. So if I can actually save money by purchasing the products and then also share it with others and earn a commission, awesome, I'm all for it. But I also got started because they don't have an auto ship. You're not required to have an auto ship to join, okay? So for $9.95 to be a member so that I can order my products at an affordable price, I decided to get started, all right? But you can't be a part of a health and wellness company if you are not a product of the product, if you never tried a product. So it just makes no sense, right? So I had to order some products. So I thought I'd unbox these with you guys, all right? So let's see what we got here. And then I'm also going to show you guys on another video that I actually buy these type of products, and then we'll do some price comparison on what I buy versus these products. Now what's cool about them, kudos to LiveGood, I ordered these products like a Tuesday, okay, and they came very quickly. All right? So here's the 2 products that I ordered: Super Reds and Super Greens, okay? So I'm excited about these because I use these type of products, and I'll come back and show you guys what I actually purchased and compare them with these, and I'm going to try these, and I'll be posting because I put this type of stuff in my smoothies every day. All right, guys, so go check this out. The link is in the description. Great price on these. 18 bucks, I think, is what I paid. Not bad at all. I normally spend like 30-something bucks on these type of products. All right, so go check the link out in the description. Order yours, and I'll be back to talk about these. All right, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. See you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day. Be safe out there.